In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use snippets in Shopify. Working with snippets in any theme. Snippets are small, reusable pieces of liquid code that help you keep your theme clean and consistent. They're perfect for things like a promotional banner, a product badge, or any chunk of markup you want to maintain in one place and reuse across multiple templates. By using snippets, you reduce duplication and make future updates much easier. Start by signing into your Shopify account from the main Shopify website and opening your store's admin. Before you touch any code, it's a smart safety tip to duplicate your live theme so you have a backup. That way, if something doesn't behave as expected, you can roll back without stress. In the admin sidebar, head to Online Store, then open the Themes area. Make sure you're working on the theme you intend to update, whether it's your published theme or a draft. It's easy to accidentally edit the wrong one, so double check the theme name and status first. Open the Themes Options menu by clicking the three-dot icon next to the theme you want to work on. From that menu, choose Edit Code. This will open the theme file editor, where you'll see folders like Layout, Templates, Sections, Assets, and Snippets. The Snippets folder is where we'll create and store your reusable code. Inside the Snippets folder, create a new file. Give your snippet a clear, descriptive name that uses lowercase letters and hyphens like promo banner or trust badges. Shopify will create it as a .liquid file automatically. Good naming helps you and your team quickly recognize what the snippet does later on. Add your snippet code in the editor. Keep it self-contained and tidy, include only the markup and logic you need, rely on existing theme classes for styling when possible, and avoid hard-coding content that might change. If the snippet will display text that could vary, consider pulling that content from settings or translating it with standard liquid practices so it's flexible and consistent. When you're done, click Save. Your snippet is now ready to be used. In your templates or sections, you'll render this snippet wherever you want it to appear. This keeps your theme modular and reduces repeated code across different files. Before you wrap up, use the theme preview to confirm the snippet looks right on desktop and mobile. If something breaks the editor's recent changes list and your duplicated theme are your safety net, add a short comment at the top of the snippet describing its purpose and any dependencies, so future you or teammates know exactly how and where it should be used. That's it. You've created a snippet, added your code, and set yourself up to reuse it across your Shopify theme with confidence.